Hi everyone, good day, classmates, and especially to you, ma'am. I am Lady Gario Kanyada from BE2B. This time I'm going to discuss to you about gender and media. So this is about how media like TV, movies, news shows different people and groups, especially the LGBT community. For example, how characters vice ganda are shown on TV. So we have here media representation. So what is media representation? So it is how people are shown in the media. So this includes their looks, behavior, and rules. So example, a news story showing an old person as a weak is a kind of representation about age. So it is about how the people are shown or represent in the media. And next, we have why is media is important. So media is important because what we see in media affects how we believe or how we think, and it can change our thoughts and feelings, diba? So example, if we always see women as housewives in shows, diba, we might think that their role is only housewives in their life, diba? Because in reality, it is not. So just like that, it is how the people are being represented in media. So who controls the media? So ito talaga, maraming nagko-control sa media, which are the writers, editors, diba, and directors. So people who create media are them. So this beliefs influences what they show. See, for example, a director who believes that LGBT love is wrong, so might not include LGBT characters in a positive way. So, diba, if he think that kind of perspective in showing in media, so maapektuhan talaga yung nanonood, and people would think that it is how being represented in real life. And we have media stereotypes. Media and stereotypes. So stereotypes are simple and sometimes wrong ideas about people. So media often repeats this, diba? Example, that saying all gay men act silly or dress loud, and it is one of an example of stereotype, diba? Because not all gay is like that. So we have LGBT stereotypes in media. So LGBT people in media are often shown in a funny or extreme ways, not as real people. But sometimes in some movies, diba, gays are, ang character talaga nila is funny, mga ganon, because ganyan talaga yung pinapakita, and it really it has a stereotyping, kasi nga not all gays is just for fun, diba? Hindi naman pwedeng ganyan lang yung kanilang character. What if we go in that kind of perspective na yung gay is a singer, a dancer, a makeup artist, ano pa ba? Tawag dyan, manager, a boss, mga ganon. Diba? Because some of the example that's being shown in movies or in TV is just like a funny friend with a big hand movements and a loud voice. Diba? Mga ganon lang. It has a stereotyping about gender. And we have the lack of, what's this? Hindi ko makita. Lack of LGBT main characters. Diba? LGBT people are rarely the main characters in shows or in movies, especially in the Philippines. And in a teleserye, example, in a teleserye, the gay character is usually as a friend lang, not the main character or the love interest. So, lack of character talaga na binibigay sa kanila. So, nangyayari talaga to siya noon. Diba? Of how LGBT people are being shown in the movies. Next, we have censorship and controversy. LGBT scenes are often removed or changed, especially in children's shows. One of the example of this, if nakita nyo yung show Glee ba yun, a gay kiss was shown but removed in the Philippines broadcast. Diba, hindi siya pinapakita. Mayroon siyang censorship in a controversy. And as the time goes by, hindi noon yon yung mga ganon na pangyayari about how people or how LGBT people are being represented in media, but change is happening as time goes by. Diba, before LGBT people were ignored or laughed, but now there are a lot of shows that started to tell the real stories of the LGBT members. One of the example of the movies of this is yung My Husband's Lover and ano yung isa? Rich Man's Daughter. Diba? It focused on LGBT stories. Dito pinapakita na talaga yung life and binibigyan na ng character na big role yung LGBT member. Next, moving forward, even if it's not, even if there are still problems showing LGBT people stories in media, and media talaga, it really helps others understand and accept them. Diba, in reality that media, napakalaking tulong naman talaga kung tutuusin yung media of how LGBT people to be accepted, ano talaga sila, di ba? Media is a great way to show to people to better understand about the LGBT people. So now, more LGBT movies are being shown. Their stories about family acceptance and self-discovery. And that's all. Thank you, and thank you so much for listening today.